98K November prediction, 135K December prediction. Plan B says Bitcoin is going to the moon. In the early hours of November 14, a popular independent crypto analyst, Plan B, insisted on a Twitter post that he expects Bitcoin to reach an all-time high of $98,000 by the end of November and $135,000 before the end of December. The post, which has since gathered over 47,000 likes and almost 10,000 retweets, reveals a chart of Plan B's Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, showing the cryptocurrency hitting six figures before the end of 2021. You would remember that Plan B developed the stock-to-flow model in 2019 and has since made different accurate Bitcoin predictions using the model. In this video, we examine the S2F model, some of Plan B's previous predictions, and the possible effects of the prediction on the crypto industry. Welcome to Savvy Finances, and thanks to all our subscribers for their continued support. The stock-to-flow model. Plan B's recent prediction for Bitcoin was based on his stock-to-flow model. The model seeks to predict the price of Bitcoin and other assets by dividing the number of stocks in circulation by the number of yearly production or flow. The division reveals the number of years it would take for the coins in circulation to be mined based on the current flow. The greater the number, the greater the scarcity of the asset and the greater the price. Unlike some other investment assets, the halving process reduces the number of Bitcoin in circulation and drives up the coin's scarcity. Currently, after the 2020 halving, 144 blocks of 6.25 Bitcoins are mined per day. The S2F model bases its prediction on the current flow and the remaining Bitcoins left to be mined, and so far it has led to several successful predictions. Plan B's previous Bitcoin predictions. Plan B's predictions are not new to the crypto community. He uses the S2F model and he has been quite accurate so far. In March 2019, many people feared that the flagship cryptocurrency would return to the late 2016 figures and plunge below $1,000. The institutional investor said he only saw the cryptocurrency going up, and it did. Instead of plunging like many people thought it would, the price increased by over $1,000 the following month. Plan B predicted that Bitcoin's market cap would hit $1 trillion after the 2020 halving, which it did earlier this year. The institutional investor also predicted a $47,000 closing price for August 2021, a $43,000 closing price for September, and a $63,000 closing price for October 2021. These predictions have been as accurate as it gets with the high volatility of the cryptocurrency. Now, Plan B has predicted that Bitcoin will reach an all-time high of $98,000 by the end of November 2021, and it will climb higher to $135,000 in December. Like his other predictions, he uses the S2F model to show the flagship cryptocurrency hitting six figures before the year runs out. In an interview with Unchained podcast, Plan B talks about the cryptocurrency climbing even higher in 2022. He explains that he expects a bull run that would last for around 6 months, pushing the price of Bitcoin to $200,000 or $300,000 in 2022. He adds that he would not even be surprised if the cryptocurrency hits $500,000. From the comments on Plan B's Twitter post, many other investors believe that Plan B's predictions are correct, although some naysayers believe it would be impossible for the cryptocurrency to jump from just above $64,000 to $98,000 in less than 15 days. But the believers still maintain their stance. After all, we have all seen Bitcoin do some extremely unimaginable things in the past. What happens if Bitcoin goes over $100,000? No one can absolutely predict the outcome of such a scenario. There have been different theories, some of which predict a complete wipeout of all altcoins. There have also been theories that such a scenario would increase altcoins prices as investors seek other venues to maximize profits. The increase could also crash the price of the flagship coin as the fear of missing out drives more people to invest in the cryptocurrency, eventually leading to a price pop. As Plan B explained in the podcast, the price increase will occur, but the greed and fear of investors could usher in another 50% or even an 80% crash. Is Plan B's prediction anything to go by? Only time will tell. What is obvious is that the next 15 days will be very crucial ones in the crypto community. And if the November prediction comes true, what would happen from there on is anyone's guess. Remember that Standard Chartered's cryptocurrency research team also predicted that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in late 2021 or early 2022. For all our viewers and us, we do hope these predictions come true, but only time will tell. It is going to be a crazy and fun ride from here on, so sit back and enjoy. What do you think? You see Bitcoin hitting 98,000 in less than 15 days and 135,000 before the year ends. Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.